There she was, just a walking down the street singing. Snapping her fingers and shuffling her feet singing. She looked good, she looked fine. She looked good, she looked fine. And I nearly lost my mind. Before I knew it, she was walking next to me singing. Holding my hand just as natural as can be singing. We walked on.
Yung gusto mo mag-camping pero tamad ka maghanap ng kahoy.
Just a little more.
Sana namin masyadong makitang kahoy pero may nakita kaming puno.
I knew we was
You're strong.
Isipin mo, may kuryente ka sa inyo, tapos magpapasilab ka dito. Ganda na ganda ng buhay mo, naka-aircon ka. Tapos pupunta ka dito, no? Di mo rin alam talaga trip ng mga ano yun.
day singing. And we're so happy.
Tama ba yan, boss? Mausok lang pero wala kang choice. Tangin ang init ah.
Ang init ah, putang. Balahibo ko.
Tapos yung sasakyan ko ito. Sinuong sa ano kanina? Sa tubig. Tama ba yon?
Yes, I did. So I told her all the things that I've been dreaming of. Now we're together.
Scripted lang naman to eh. Kunyari, nagaganto ko. Ang apoy, kaya nagliliyab ako. Para ano lang, may masama lang ako sa clip.